Ni gutinangia. Ginyagia 495,000 only.
Tushare na Royal Town kana tuhorera thimo namba ni 0708 000 999.
Top Care ni mucie waku mwehokeku wa uigithia.
Sasa mnaweza mkakava mali na bizenu zote kutokana na risks tofauti.
Naweza kawa construction yangu, mashini, mafundi,
na shule yangu, wanafunzi, wafanyikazi, basi.
Na in case mimi nipate ajali.
Omera, what about my palatial residence?
Noma achia Direct Line.
Do more na Direct Line. Visit your nearest branch, agent, broker or bank assurance partner today or SMS Beamer to 23454.
Direct Line. Every day is sure. Hey, do more.
Christmas Idwe Golden Dreams Land and Properties Limited turago tukona discounts project ineshitoneshiyo Precious Gardens Malindi irandeda ikamirogore na idhano kuma Malindi Town na 2.5 kilometers kuma Marereni Town turigishiriyo ni gada cia shubeta cancelled 50 by 100 nishiriki girigana lemwe uwataika nishiriki girigana lemwe na mirogo enana na booking fee nishiriki girimirogo na idhano site visit Malindi netariki keda Ditheba oho tuina matu Shani Gardens brotisha 50 by 100 dake kumina idhano kuma Matu Town cash price nishiriki girimagana mere maikomi installment shiriki giri magana mere mamirogwe tatu kareha deposit ya shiriki giri mirogwe tano balance ukareke na meri tadatu na marihima ya ni hamwe na title deed thimone 0718004455 wafshine Ruiro Town BD House korofa ya gatatu. Golden Dreams Land and Properties Limited, your home, your comfort.
Ni mamwe twahaririye inoro hwaine atongoria Azimio kugane marigagirira kafiru maria mareko ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Munini wa president kuruguria kamiti ya 15 ya guteithiriria kung'ethanira na ng'aragu. Athitagani eri ama commissioner ana IBC uthathaurira kamiti ya bunge thitago ciao. Afitha augima wa mwiri mwena wa Kayole gwikira uira ikushi andu atatu thutha wa kuharwo gatema. Negatho cia mwanya muno makiria oro hari ugikorowero riri no ne session ya Inoro TV ciaritawe gatha imwe ni mathaa mahwaini mathaa ma kumenyithia maria tukuhaririirie gitagwo Ken wa Koraya. Ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ne eigete kana negete na geikaro na magavana aria mathuritwo rungu rwa Azimio kwaririria ugasheru wa ngwataniro iyo. Geikaro giki kire gitafanirio mwena wa Naivasha county ya Naikuru gitogoretio ni Raila Odinga atongoria aya maugite ni megutigirira ni maigirira kafiru maria mothe mareko ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Masewadi wa Murithini uratuhigurira ikojo gitu na ripoti ino.
Nikigomano kire kirathi na mbere kia magavana rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja mwena wa Naivasha county ya Naikuru makiaririria uria megwikira binya ngwataniro eno.
We conducted a thorough analysis of the state of our economy, politics and human security and noted that the people of Kenya are facing times with no immediate end in sight.
Musemanio yo ugitongorio ni Raila Odinga atongoria yani mamenereirie mitaratara iria yabuthikire kithurano-ini kithiru makiuga yeyurito ni mabitia na mumirira makio matiari kuringana na itua ria Mukenya.
The fair allocation of resources to all counties is guaranteed by the Constitution, and we will work with Kenyans to ensure each county receives its fair share.
Vamwe na ugwa tongoria ya mugite thirikari ya William Ruto niyoete mwerekera wa kwiribiria makiuga maruru maya meumiritie thutha wa kuona makomishonana aria matanyitire maumirira ma kithurano guoko makioero ikinya ria watho.
It is therefore our demand that for Wafula Chebukati and the other two outgoing IBC commissioners should immediately proceed to their terminal leave to stop further cannibalization of the commission.
Ugokiria ugwa meranire gutigirira ati marithurimaga mitaratara yothe ya thirikari iria ibana terongoririo kubinyiriria mu Kenya.
We shall robustly confront and oppose all dangerous policies and practices of the Kenya Kwanza regime, including the sinister efforts to introduce GMO food and or seeds, destruction of our environment, including the reintroduction of the discredited shamba system.
Musemanio yo urio koreto kithina mbere kwa ibida ria thikũ igĩrĩ ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja yugite gutigirira maundu maria mothe mareko ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ya maigirira kabiru na kumathurima niguo gutigirira akenya matina thinika. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ndimwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru njetago Masi wadia wa Muriithi.
Gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga mubunge wa bunge ya ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri ma Afrika ya irathĩro kanini kega na senator wa Nyeri wa Home wa Matiga nimeranĩire wĩrutĩri wao kunyithania atongoria na aikari a gĩtarũ kĩa Mount Kenya nĩguo makaragia na mũgambo ũmwe. Makĩaria me wabici-inĩ ya Gavana Kahiga morĩtie atongoria othe a kaunti cia Kĩrĩma manyitanagĩre nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere nĩciakinyanĩra kana nĩciakinyĩra mũingĩ wa gĩtarũ kĩu.
Ndoka gukwira ni thengio muno tondu ni urarugamire nani na ni urarugamire na ruriri wakeri ndoka nigetha tukorwo na ithu tukorwo tugira ruriri wakeri ndoka nigetha tukorwo na ithu tukorwo tugituma ndumiriri kuri andu aitu akirima aria thure na aria matari athure ate itare tare dundu rihuragwo na njugu memo ni kuri andu aingi muno makurakara ni ithu gucemanio ni kuri nginya na makurakara ni micemanio ringi turika na kuu kungi mbere no maitho maciura matigiragia ng'ombe inywe mai riria ndurire iria ingi cia cemania tariu ni uronire rurire rwa kuria Mulembe Nation rutongoretio ni His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi imanacemanirie na kurerwo ni wega muno tondu andu ci ni monania urumwe no ithu andu akirima hingo ciothe riria twacemania andu makoragwo makiambiria kuria kari kigiki kirarugwo no nginya twarie na mwari umwe wa mbere aria mari ite-ini ri tuikare tukimaririkanagia ati kwina wira ubataire gukorwo ukirutwo no rutirwo andu aitu na ndio kunyitanirira maundu maria mothe tukubatara gukorwo tugika matura maitu no nginya tukorwo twina mundu uri atutongoria maundu-ini macio matura-ini maya twina governor His Excellency Governor to no ukoragwo ari chairman wa magavanazi maria mothe 10 na no tugucoka tumuhe task nayo ya aria nao maguire na akorwo akimariria ona ni no gwikorwo ho akimariria nigetha tuhote gucokanirira no naho hau iga iguru mundu ria twi nake munene kahinda-ini gaka ni Deputy President His Excellency Rigathi wa Gachagua nigetha nake ahote gukorwo agitucokaniriria tuhote gukorwo tukimatha kiria tungihota kumatha tukirehagira andu aitu
uhoro wa Kirima kuma Nyandarua guthie nginya Kiambu guthie Kirinyaga guthie kuria kungi ithuothe tukwaria kiugo kimwe twirane urumwe nyumba na thingira itiuma naguo maria marari mbere ni turamonire na turonire maria turagithire na uhoro ucio ni turarikirie riu ona inyu andu a Nyeri na andu a Kenya na andu a Mount Kenya ni njui mutire hau turorete na mbere na kuria turathie tuge itaritari ndundu rihuragwo na njugu memwe ni kahinda gaitu ithuĩ turi atongoria tugie na uhoro wa gucokanirira aria othe marahotanire na aria marahotirwo tukumacokaniriria othe thutha wa Rigathi wa Gachagua mheshimiwa witũ Deputy President.
Munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ni aruguritie kamiti ya andu 15 ire gukorwo na kibarua gia guteithiriria bara-ini ya kung'ethanira na ng'aragu ire gumeire ya Kenya milioni 5.1 na akaunti 31. Kamiti ino ire igutongorio ni murugamiriri wa kambuni ya Safaricom Peter Ndegwa igukorwo igicaria njira cia kuhothithia mbeca cia irio cia guteithia andu aria meheririo ni ng'aragu kuria kambuni ya Safaricom igukorwo ikirekereria namba ya mwanya kuri a Kenya aria makorwo magituma uteithio wao. Kate Muthoni niwe na ripoti ino.
Thengia wa burere yambiririe kwamukirwo miene itiganite ya bururi a Kenya makiria ma milioni 5.1 mathiete na mbere kugumirwo ni ng'aragu na nikio thirikari iruguritie kamiti ya andu 15 iria gukorwo na gibarua gia gucaria kihonia.
We respect expert advice at this time. It tells us that we are looking at an unfolding humanitarian catastrophe, not just in Kenya, but also the larger Horn of Africa region, because of 4 consecutive failed rain seasons. A 5th failed season has already been set in motion by poor start of the October to December rains.
Akiruguria kamiti no munini wa president augite gukorwo igicaria njira cia kuhothithia mbeca na irio cia guteithia andu aria meheirwo ni ng'aragu kuria nake murugamiriri wa kamiti no Peter Ndegwa augite ni magukorwo makirekereria namba ya mwanya iria a Kenya magituma uteithio wao.
The National Steering Committee on Drought Response that we are inaugurating today will, among other things, establish a private-led National Drought Mitigation Appeal Fund and mobilize resources to alleviate the impact of drought ravaging parts of this country.
We know that the task ahead of us will not be an easy one, but I assure you, and indeed all Kenyans, that we are ready for the challenge. We look forward to working with all those involved to ensure that we implement appropriate measures and actions to reduce the vulnerability to and the impact of the perennial drought.
Ihinda-ini riu Gachagua aikite ihoya kuri a Kenya akimoria mahothikiria kinini mangikorwo nakio niguo guteithiriria aria matari kuria nake Ndegwa augite a Kenya no mahothe bonga points iria mari nacio.
We appeal to Kenyans, every single Kenyan, to come together in cash, in kind, donate your bonga points. Approximately, and I can say this because I run Safaricom, there's approximately 4 billion Kenya shillings worth of bonga points that sit in all our various accounts. And I'm sure there are many of us who can be able to donate some of those bonga points to ensure that we don't have kids going home hungry.
We appeal to Kenyans of goodwill to contribute a percentage of their salaries to pay to a pay bill number that will be established soon by this committee. Already, our men and women in the Kenya Defence Forces have offered to forego 1 day's salary to contribute to the response kit.
Ikinya riri ria thirikari ni rinyititwo mbaru ni kiama kiandikani guku bururi-ini.
Twatuanira no muhaka tuteithiririe thirikari twaririe andu aitu matuhe mbia nigetha tuciikire kiondo-ini kiria kirambiririo ni thirikari.